Okay, I'm doing this video again today just to refresh our memories because I'm really unsure if people are watching them. Now, this is all about adding and subtracting with negative numbers. Now, I just want to highlight this little 5 here. He's not negative. He's a regular 5. That's why he's got nothing in front of him. But if I'm looking at my 10, that's a negative 10, isn't it? Okay, but now that's just really something I need to highlight here. Here I've got a positive 12. Okay, it's always the symbol that's right in front of the number. My 3, regular, positive. We don't write positive numbers always with positive unless it's here in a question. Let me get rid of that and let's get going. So I've got 5 minus negative 10. Now, remember when we had two minuses together, they actually did the opposite and they turned into a plus. So my question here is actually 5 plus 10. And we know the answer is 15. Boom. Okay? Simple rule. The two negatives always make a positive. It's like they clash and they just do the opposite. Okay? There's no other way to remember that. Underneath, I've got 3, take away, positive 12. Now, the subtraction is powerful, the negative is powerful, so this becomes 3 take away 12. Now, how do we do that? That's what you've got to think. Remember when I said you've got to do the inverse operation? So, if it's 3 take away 12 we're looking at, let's do 12 take away 3. We know that's 9. But what does my 9 need here in front of it to make it equal? To make it the answer, I mean. It needs a negative. So the answer is negative 9. So this is all you need to do. You need to know the difference between the two numbers. This is the difference. 12 take away 3 is 9. And then you put a negative in front of it. That's all you do when something like this comes up. Let me continue. So over here, I've got 4 plus negative 7. Same thing, turns into a negative. All right? So 4 take away 7. I have to put my computer down, sorry. 4 take away 7. Well, what is 7 take away 4? We're working out the difference. It's 3. So what do I need to put in front of my 3 to work this equation out? Negative 3. Okay? This is applicable to all the questions that are like this. So you just need to know the difference between the two numbers and put a negative symbol in front of it. Last one. 5 take away positive 16 turns into 5 take away 16. So, you know what, actually, I'm going to cross this out because I've done 2 examples that are like that. They're exactly the same. What I'm going to do is this. Oh no, pen, work. I'm going to show you something else. Now, if I've got an equation that's just like 5 plus positive 7, what is it? It is just a regular equation. That's just plus. So it's just asking you, what's 5 plus 7? There are no minuses involved. I'm just doing that to fool you. So 5 plus 7, you know the answer is 13. Oh my gosh, not 13, 12. I was adding it up in my head and I was like, oh yeah, 3, and then I don't know what I did. The answer is 12, okay? So 5 plus 7 is 12. Don't just chuck a minus symbol in there for no reason, okay? I'm hoping this makes sense and I'm hoping you've watched it. Bye.